Hey guys, it's me Rohan. Today I'll be helping you guys learn about what osmosis and solute is. Now I'll be doing that with the Gummy Lab experiment. This is hopefully going to be a quick experiment to help teach you guys an intro about one of the topics in biology, which is osmosis and solutes. So here we go. I'll be giving you a quick information about some of the topics we'll be learning about today. So first off, solute. Solute is a general term that refers to a molecule dissolved in a solution. So for example, in a saltwater solution, the salt molecules are the solutes. The more salt we put in the solution, the more we increase the concentration of solutes. So more salt in salt water equals a larger concentration of salt. So water moves from an area with a low concentration of solutes to an area with a higher solute concentration. So this movement of water molecules is called osmosis. So remember that osmosis is from low concentration of solutes to an area of higher concentration of solutes. So in order to examine the process of osmosis and observe how it works, we can look at gummy bears. Gummy bears are a great example of this. So this is what this experiment is going to show, how osmosis and solutes work. So here we go. So here we go with the experiment. So first off, I'll give you a list of what we'll need. So first off, we'll need 2 containers, such as bowls, cups, or jars. Today I'll be using 2 paper bowls right here. Then also you'll need a measuring cup. And right here I have 1 measuring cup. Then also you'll need gummy bears. You can get any. I went to the store and bought some gummy bears right here. Then you also need salt. I have a salt container. And finally, then the last 2 necessities are water and also a ruler. So these are the list of materials we need, and also maybe a notebook and pencil to write some data down. So now it's time for the directions. So first off, I'm going to measure my 2 gummy bear sizes, and then write those 2 down on a notebook or something or any other place. So first off, both of mine gummy bears right here are 2.1 centimeters. So you guys right now should just take your gummy bears and just measure them. I did mine in centimeters. You can do whatever you wanted. So I made 2 different colors to keep track of, yellow and green. Alright, yellow and green. Okay, so now we have to add the water. Now it's time to add the water. So first I already added a half cup of water to one of the cups. I'll just do it to the other one right now. So first I'm taking my measuring cup and putting in a half cup of water. That's about a half cup of water right there, right here. And now I'll add it to my second cup. So there's both cups have the water in it, both half cup of water. And now we need 1 tablespoon of salt. So here's my salt and tablespoon. I'll add about a tablespoon of salt. Okay, here's about a tablespoon of salt right here. So I'll add it to one of my cups, only one. This is the key part. And the salt will be your solute. So I'm gonna add it to this cup right here. Okay, and now you stir well. So I'm just gonna take a spoon and just stir this well. You just have to stir it for just like 30 seconds here. Okay, so now let's put the spoon to the side, and now you take the gummy bears. So my 2 gummy bears are right here. My 2 gummy bears are right here. The green and the yellow. Okay, So I'll drop one of them into each container. So I'll drop the yellow one with the salt and the green one without the salt. Alright? So now you have to leave these there for either 8 hours or overnight. Alright, I'm going to try 8 hours and see what the results are. So then you have to observe each gummy bear. So you have to observe what happened to each gummy bear, alright? So that's where your ruler comes in handy again. So then after the 8 hours or overnight, take the gummy bear out of the cup, right? And take the measurement of it. And use the same units you did before. So I use centimeters. I'm going to use centimeters again to see which one got taller and which one got smaller, alright? So then that's how we'll see the results and wrap this lab up. Alright, see you in 8 hours. Alright, hey guys, so it's been 8 hours since I put the gummy bears into the water. The two water was, the yellow gummy bear went into saltwater solution and the green gummy bear went into normal water. And as you can see, there is a change, and you should observe that change. It's that there's a size difference between the gummy bears. The orange one is just the gummy bear I used for comparison. It's also 2.1 centimeters, and it's just from the bag. So what is happening? Why is there this size difference? So first off, for the green one, which was in the normal water, the concentration of solutes, remember solutes is the term that refers to a molecule dissolved in a solution. So the solutes inside the gummy bear are higher than the concentration of solutes in the water, the plain water. So as a result, remember, water moves from an area of lower concentration of solutes to higher. So that means the water moved from the lower concentration, which is outside, to inside to the gummy bear. So that's what made it swell up. So that is the same for the yellow one, which is in the saltwater solution. But the difference is the solute concentration wasn't as great. So less water flowed into the gummy bear. So in other words, it took less water to balance out the solute concentration inside and outside the gummy bear. That means the gummy bear in the saltwater grew less than the one because of there was more solutes outside. So you can see that because of this change, that this one did grow, the yellow one did grow, but slightly. Now it's like 2.3 centimeters, but the green one is 2.4 centimeters, and it grew wider. So we can also do this experiment other ways. We can use different solute concentrations to see how it affects the outcome, like different things you can look up, like sugar or other thing on Google. So you can also add twice as much salt in, and maybe extend the time. You can see if there's the amount of salt plays an factor of the size of the gummy bear. So this was a quick experiment about osmosis and solutes. I'll keep a definition of some of these terms right after I finish this video, and you can write these down and hopefully you can remember. Alright, I hope you guys have fun doing this experiment, and I'll check you guys out next time. See you.